हेलो दोस्तों। आईटीसी लिमिटेड स्टॉक complete analysis. ITC Limited is an Indian company headquartered in Kolkata, West Bengal. ITC has a diversified presence across industries such as cigarettes, FMCG, hotels, packing paperboards, and specialty papers and agri businesses. The company has a total of 13 businesses in 5 segments. Also, there are 90 countries where ITC exports its products. Its products are available in 6 million retail outlets. Established in 1910 as the Imperial Tobacco Company of India Limited, the company was renamed as the Indian Tobacco Company Limited in 1970 and later to ITC Limited in 1974. The company now stands renamed to ITC Limited within a relatively short span of time. ITC has built 25 mother brands, many of which are market leaders in their segments. This vibrant portfolio of brands represent annual consumer spends of over 19700 crore today. Its world-class Indian brands anchor competitive and inclusive value chains that create, capture and retain larger value within the country. Key points: revenue. FMCG cigarettes 45% of revenue, FMCG others 28% of revenue, hotel businesses 4% of revenue, agri businesses 13% of revenue, paper boards, paper and packaging 10% of revenues. ITC at a glance: 74979 crore gross sale of value, 13032 crore net profit, 13 businesses of tomorrow, 25 FMCG mother brands. ITC at a glance: 200 plus manufacturing, number 1 in paper and paper boards, 100 plus hotel across 70 locations, 36500 ITC group direct employees. Shareholding pattern: DII 42.39%, a good holding; FII 11.74%, good holding; others 0.1%, and public 45.86% of holding. Market cap 300,000 crore, current price 244, high all time 246, low 163, stock P 21.9, book value 47.9, dividend yield 4.41% is good, ROCE and ROE is also very good, face value 1.00 per share. There is a probability of division of FMCG and others, including the cigarette segment. The reflection of ITC result till September 2020. ITC price 214 on 14 January 2021 with EPS of 10.99 at PE of 19.47. The company dividend of Rs 10.15. The face value of is Rs1. We estimate a price of 3000 within 15 years. Yes, it has a huge potential for becoming a multi-bagger stock in future. Disclaimer: do your own research. No investment advice. Thanks for watching.